Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to off-campus hiring plus internship opportunities for the freshers batch, DXC Accenture Cisco hiring for the new roles, and one of the most important point, there is a very good opportunity for all of you. You can win cash prizes and goodies. No 60% criteria for the Accenture hiring, 22, 23, 21, 2020 batch eligible for the different opportunity. Let's start. Before starting, I request you to please check the complete videos. If you are mention comment in the comment section, because so many some of the candidates are mentioning in the comment section like Wipro, in Wipro there is Wipro in 2023 batch is not eligible for the Wipro, and why you are mentioning 2023 year. So when you just go to the Superset platform, so they already mentioned that 22 and 23 batch is eligible, and I already discussed in this video they are like BCA and BSc courses are eligible, but for the BE BTech the hiring in the upcoming months. So if you have any queries, you can also ask in the comment section that is related to the particular hiring. Our first opportunity is from Accenture, but the hiring is not the new. The fact is they open this hiring from they just officially announced. So if you completed your 3 month cooling period, so you can again eligible for this opportunity. Suppose if you are apply for this opportunity, so they are mentioning that you are successfully applied for this role, you have already applied, so wait for the next update from that Accenture team. If you are from BE BTech ME MTech MCA 2022 batch, you can eligible for this opportunity. There are so many roles related to the system and application service associate hiring, in which so many other batches are eligible for the PWD graduate, and there is some of the other hirings also. The next opportunity is from DXC for the role of DX Analytics 2022, and it is hiring for the that is related to the BSc and BCA graduates. If you are from 2022 batch and available to join us immediately, you can apply for this opportunity. Online assessment test, technical interviews there. 2.8 LP is the fixed salary plus 20k joining bonus. Okay, this is the DXC hiring, so you can simply fill out the form and apply for the opportunity. The next opportunity is for all of you by Zuno by Monster, and they announced their Zuno fellowship program. You can participate and win cash prize and goodies worth 10 crore rupees. September fellowship start in like 24 September. There is a 4 to 7 p.m. there is a test, and you can also enroll the Juno fellowship program by checking the link in the description. You can win fellowship worth $1 million plus annually. Top 25% will get special profile highlights, chance to upskill, certificate of appreciation. Okay, the Juno fellowship test is next conducted on 24 September. Quantitative aptitude, total of 60 question. Top 10 scorers will be proceed to round 2 for panel interview. You can also check that where I can attempt, who can enroll. If you have a age of 17 to 25 and you are pursuing UG or PG courses, you can simply apply for this opportunity, and there are all the opportunities are here that is related to the opportunities. What are you looking for? Like content writing, business development. There are so many opportunities on the on-site also as well as the virtual also. You can check what are the stipends, so simply click in the description, there is a link. Last opportunity is from Cisco for the role of software engineer cloud application development intern India, and this is one of the best opportunity, but this hiring is only for the 2023 batch. And if you have a strong fundamentals of data structures algorithm, good understanding of cloud base, so you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, minimum of 8.5 GPA or higher the requirement is for 2023 pass out, so you can apply for this opportunity. And for the there is a no 60% criteria in Accenture, but you can also find so many opportunities on the Zuno by Monster. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.